In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create TikTok ads. Diving into the world of TikTok advertising can seem daunting at first, but with the right steps, you can launch your campaign and begin to see your creative efforts blossom. Let's walk through how to set up ads on TikTok step by step, ensuring you grasp every detail. First things first, you'll want to navigate to TikTok's ad platform. Just head to TikTok ads through your browser. This is your gateway to launching ads that will help you reach millions of users across the globe. Once you're there, you'll see a login button. Hit that button and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Here you'll type in your email and the password associated with your TikTok ads account. If you're new to TikTok ads, you might need to take a moment to sign up and create an account first. After entering your login details, click on the login button again to proceed. You may encounter a CAPTCHA verification to confirm that you're not a robot. Complete the verification, then click confirm to move forward with logging in. Following a successful login, a verification code will be sent to your email. This extra layer of security ensures that only authorized users can access the account. Check your email, grab that code, and enter it on the screen that follows to continue. Now you're in. Navigate to the Campaigns tab located within the interface. This area is where you'll manage all your advertising campaigns on TikTok. Here you'll find an option to create a new ad campaign. Click on Create to get started. Setting your advertising objective is crucial because it aligns your campaign goals with TikTok's ad system. Choose an objective that best represents what you want to achieve, whether it's driving traffic to your site, generating leads, or increasing video views. Next up, setting your budget. This part is vital as it helps you control your spending while aiming to get the best return on investment. You can set a daily or total budget based on how much you're willing to spend on this campaign. Once your budget is set, hit continue to move on to defining your ad group. An ad group helps you manage different targeting, budget and scheduling options within the same campaign. Type in your ad group name thoughtfully. It should reflect the theme or focus of the ads contained within. Targeting the right audience can make or break your campaign. Under audience targeting, you'll have the opportunity to specify exactly who you want to see your ads. You can target based on location, age, gender, interests, and more. Spend some time thinking about who your ideal audience is and use these targeting options to zero in on those users. After you've selected your audience parameters, you're ready to move on to the creative part. Click on Continue to start crafting your ad. In the Identity section, choose the TikTok account you want your ads to be associated with. This is straightforward if you have one account, but if you manage multiple, select the one most relevant to your campaign. Then comes the exciting part, adding your ad creative. You can upload videos and images that showcase what you're advertising. Ensure that your visuals are compelling and adhere to TikTok's guidelines. High quality, engaging content is more likely to capture the attention of TikTok users scrolling through their feeds. Now, describe what you're advertising. Adding a text, title, and description to your ad not only informs viewers about your offer, but also entices them to take action. Make sure your message is clear, concise, and persuasive. Once you're satisfied with your ad's content and creative, the next step is to publish it. Click on Publish All to submit your ad for review. TikTok will review your ad to ensure it meets their advertising guidelines. This process can take from a few minutes to several hours. However, ads don't always pass on the first try. If you encounter any errors or issues that prevent your ad from being published, take the time to address them. This could involve adjusting parts of the content, reselecting targeting options, or refining the ad creative. The platform will usually provide guidance on what needs to be fixed. Finally, to push your ad live and start reaching users, you'll need to set up a payment method. TikTok offers several options to fund your ad account, ensuring convenience regardless of where you're located or your preferred way to pay. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching successful TikTok ads. Remember, advertising is as much an art as it is a science. Continuously test, learn from your results, and refine your strategies. Happy advertising, and here's to your success on TikTok.